Can you talk to us a little bit more about this partner credit score? Like, how did you come up with the idea? What's in it? How many parameters are there? You already talked about Crossbeam and PartnerTap, etc. data sources. What about other third-party data sources, like Hoover's or DNB or whatnot? What are you trying to? What's in the model?
In the model is, so like I said, you've got your first party data, the second party data on all the stuff where we've got the Crossbeam integration in there. And then the third party data is looking at things like Crunchbase, G2. One of our big data partners is a company called BuyerCaddy. If you have a look, just kind of niche, but Craig Harris was the founder of HG Insights, started this, and it's a phenomenal tool. So we pull a lot of insights from there around technographics and market. And so we're looking at that. We're looking at all these different signals, and then also sentiment analysis. What is the sentiment out there? And then we'll start adding more things like Glassdoor. We're going to add more and more data sets onto it as we go. Or if you have a data set that you're subscribed to ZoomInfo and you're using Apollo, or you've got all this Clay data running in, we'll be able to pull those things in as well. So the metric itself, where did I come up with it? I've been thinking about something along these lines for a long time. It's like, how can I effectively score my partners so I know where to spend my time? And the realization, like it took a little while to actually get to the understanding of what it was. We started having the concept of pulling it in. Like, it's a credit score. It's a metric we all understand. We also know that in a credit score, we can see all the impact points. We need to be able to be really transparent about it so I can make decisions around this thing. Same thing here. So that shared value index lets you look at all of those impact points. So I can say, where am I? Why do we made this decision? Why have we given you this metric? We don't want a black box metric. That doesn't work. We need to be able to convince that CFO that this is real and tie it back to, ultimately, it all ties back to revenue. But we need to show those revenue paths so we can say, just because you didn't get a lead from this partner doesn't mean that they didn't create revenue for you. Here's the indirect ways in which they created it, and here's the actual path.